Honey, we can't keep living like this. We don't have enough money to feed every man in the family. I suggest we put the kids in the orphanage. We can't do that. I love our children. I would never abandon them. Yeah, well, that's final. We'll do it tonight when the kids fall asleep. We will put them in the closest one we can find. I can't believe it do that to us. They would do that. They would never do that to us. They are our family. Now go to sleep. Tomorrow will be a new day. I hope so. Wake up, children. I'm wondering, are you surprised to be here? Oh, are you? Yes, sir. Who are you? And where are we? Where are we? You're in my house now, children. Now get up. It's time to do your chores. Me and my sister will not do any chores. Anything about you doing chores. You're my special little boy. Who are you? Stupid human. I am your slave driver. Now get back to work. I'm tired of sweeping and doing all the chores. I want to go home. I'm sorry, sister. Sorry, sister. We cannot leave. We need shelter overhead. So we have to keep doing chores. What's this we? I'm doing all the chores because you're his special little boy. I can't explain the kind of things he's done to me. It is horrible. Oh, you're new here, aren't you? I am. Why? There's a story going around. They say that they keep this thing in a basement, in a cave somewhere. They think they call it ferril. Ferril the killer. It stays in the basement, and they say that if you don't get sold or adopted in a month, then they send you down there, and you get eaten by ferril the killer. What? What? Ferril the killer? Please, shut up and get back to work. Well, it's been a month, children, and you haven't been adopted yet. What am I gonna do with you? I guess you'll have to go with the slave driver. He will take you somewhere very, very, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Actually, here's a loaf of bread. This should last you a while, 'cause it'll be your last. Now go. Go to the special place. Go a slave driver to Neverland Ranch.
Slaves, come with me to Neverland Ranch.
As far as I'm going to take you, now just follow the path. Luke sees he dropped something. Maybe it could be useful to us in the future. Eva Longoria, you must be exhausted after all that walking in the caves. Welcome to Neverland Ranch. Let's have some popsicles and lots of yummy desserts. Oh, it's all in the house. I'm just so happy to have visitors. Popsicles? All right, let's go. Now that your kids are fat enough, ferril, the killer, cannot eat you. Oh, that is hilarious. Let's go. Stay here while I release him from his cage. I will kill you, ferril the killer. We made it. We're safe.